Now welcome to our favorite video channel Sri Ganit Vijnana Sarvasvam JEE and MSET online video channel. Now this video is presented by B. Ramesh Kumar JL in Mathematics. Before going to our class, watch this complete video. If you like, press like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Now in this video, we discuss circles part 5. Here the contents of this video are: the first one is tangent and normal lines, second one is condition for tangent line to the circle, third one is condition for normal line to the circle, and fourth one is condition for the straight line touches the circle. Final one is length of the tangent from external point to the circle. Now these are contents in this video. Now the first one is tangent and normal lines to the circle. First of all, we observe the diagram. This is the circle and C is the center of the circle. Here we observe that one line is drawn through the circle. Here this line just intersect externally to the circle. So here the line touches the circle at one and only one point. Now here the point is common point of the circle and the line. So this point is called point of contact and this line is called tangent line. So now the definition is, let S equal 0 be the circle and any line touches the circle at only one point to the circle. Then the line is called tangent line and the point is called point of contact to the circle. And the second thing is, here we observe that one line is passing through the center and intersect at tangent line at the point of contact P. Here we also observe that this line already perpendicular to tangent line also. So this type of line is called normal line. Now the definition is, any line is perpendicular to tangent at point of contact and passing through the center of the circle S equal 0 is called normal line to the circle S equal 0. So these are the definitions of tangent line and normal line. So next we go to condition for tangent line to the circle. Now the formulas of the tangent line is, the equation of tangent line at the point P of x1 y1 on the circle S equal 0 is S1 equal 0. So this is the equation of tangent line. And the another thing is, let Lx plus My plus N equal 0. This is the general form of the straight line equation. Be a straight line and S equal to x square plus y square equal to r square be a circle. Now here the condition for the tangent. So here Lx plus My plus N equal 0 is the tangent to the circle S equal to x square plus y square equal to r square. So the condition is r square into L square plus M square equal to N square. And the point of contact is minus r square L by N and minus r square by M by N. So this is the tangent condition and this is the point of contact to the S equal to 0 circle and the given line is Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. And the another form of the line, this form is slope intercept form. So slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. So here this line also tangent to the same circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Then the condition is r square into m square plus 1 equal to c square. This is the condition for tangent to the circle s equal to. And let Lx plus My plus N equal 0 be a straight line, and S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 be a circle. Here the center of the circle is minus g and minus f, and the condition of this tangent Lx plus My plus N equal 0 to the circle S equal to 0 is L square plus M square into G square plus F square minus C equals to Lg plus Mf minus N whole square. Here we observe that in the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0, here the x coefficient and y coefficients are replaced by centers. So that is minus G minus F. This is also whole square. So the condition is L square plus M square into G square plus F square minus C. This is the radius. Square root of G square plus F square minus C is the radius. So R square. Here this is R square. So R square means squaring square root is cancelled. So L square plus M square into G square plus F square minus C equal to Lg plus Mf minus N whole square. And the another one is, let S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 be a circle when the equation of the tangent to S equal 0 having slope m. Here we observe the given equation slope is m. Then the equation of tangent is y plus f equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into square root 1 plus m square. Here already given slope m, and also G and F is the center. So here center already found using the circle equation, and substitute the values in this equation. Y plus F equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into square root 1 plus m square. R means radius of the circle. So here already equation of the circle given. So to find radius and substitute this one in this, then the equation of tangent is y plus f equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. So here center C equal to minus g and minus f, and radius r equal to square root g square plus f square minus. Now the next one is condition for normal line to the circle. Now the equation of normal to the circle S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 at the point P of x1 y1 is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus of y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. Now this normal line comes from as follows. Since the slope of tangent is minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f, here this slope coming from s1 equal to 0. Now s1 equal 0 means xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. Here the slope of tangent is minus of x coefficient by y coefficient, that is minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. So here always normal line perpendicular to tangent line. Therefore normal line equals to minus 1 by minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. Simplify this, that is slope of normal is y1 plus f by x1 plus g. Now using slope point formula, that is y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Here substitute the value of slope y1 plus f by x1 plus g. Then the equation of normal is y minus y1 equals to y1 plus f by x1 plus g into x minus x1. Here multiply with x1 plus g on both sides, that is y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to, here x1 plus g by x1 plus g cancelled, y1 plus f into x minus x1. Therefore the normal line is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal to the given circle S equal 0 at P of x1 y1. And similarly the equation of normal to the circle S equal to x square plus y square equal to r square. Here the circle with center origin and radius r at the point P of x1 y1 is xy1 minus yx1 equal to 0. So this is the normal equation to S equal to 0. The center is the origin. And the next one is equation of normal at theta to the circle. Here the normal line in parametric form, that is The circle is S equal to x square plus y square equal to r square. Here the normal line is x sin theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. So this is the normal line which is in the parametric form. And condition for the straight line touches to the circle. Now the first one is, let S equal to x square plus y square equal to r square be a circle, and let L equal to Lx plus My plus N equal 0 be a straight line. So then the condition for the line touches the circle S equal 0 is, so here any line is tangent to the circle. First of all, we find the radius of the circle and perpendicular distance from the center to the given line. So here radius is always equal to perpendicular distance from the center to the given line L equal 0. That is radius equal to, now here the perpendicular distance. Now the center is x square plus y square equal to r square. The center is 0, 0. So substitute in this line L into 0 plus M into 0 plus N. That value is N by square root of L square plus M square. Here L means x coefficient, M means y coefficient. So radius equal to modulus N by square root L square plus M square. This is the tangent condition. So any line touches the circle, the condition is radius equal to perpendicular distance from the center to the line. So similarly, the center is minus a and minus f. So here the circle S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 be a circle, and L equal to Lx plus My plus N equal 0 be the straight line. Then the condition for straight line touches the circle. Here radius means square root of g square plus f square minus c. So in the first one, directly, which is in the standard form, x square plus y square equal to r square. Here we find the radius. The formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now radius equal to perpendicular distance from the center to the given line, that is modulus Lg plus mf minus n by square root of L square plus m square. So any line touches the circle, so the center of the circle is not the origin. So here radius equal to perpendicular distance. The next one is length of the tangent from external point to the circle. First of all, we observe the diagram. This is the circle and see the center of the circle. And here we observe that P is any point on the plane which is exterior to the circle, and join the center and the point P, and we draw one tangent line from the point P to the circle. Now here this is the radius of the circle. Here Q is point of contact. Here the common point to tangent and circle. So this common point is called point of contact. And here D denotes the distance between P and Q. So this is the length of the tangent from the point to the circle. This is length of the tangent. So here the formula is S equal 0 be any circle, and the point P of x1 y1 is the external point. Then the length of the tangent generally denoted by square root s11. So which is already discussed in power of a point. So the power square root of power is called length of tangent. So here we observe that in the diagram CPQ is one of the right angle triangle. Here the angle between tangent and CQ is 90 degrees. So which is in the right angle triangle. Here we get the distance D that equals to PQ. Now this is one of the side. Now using Pythagoras formula, PQ equals to D equals to square root of CP square minus R square, using Pythagoras formula. So clearly here observe that the length of the tangent is denoted by square root S11. Now this is also equals to square root of CP square minus R square, which is coming from in this triangle. So here CQ is the one of the side and PQ is one of the side, CP is the hypotenuse. Next we observe that another diagram. This is one of the circle and P is any external point, and we draw two tangent lines from the point P to the given circle. So here we observe that the number of tangent lines from any external point to given circle equals to only 2, because of the remaining tangents does not drawn. So here any line drawn through P which is intersect to at 2 points to the circle. Now that type of lines are called secant lines. So here only two lines can be drawn from any external point to the given circle. So the number of tangents from any external point to the circle equals to 2. So this is the note condition. Only two tangents can be drawn from any external point to the circle. Now these are the important concepts of circles, and the remaining topics will continue in the next videos. So wish you all the best.